You go this way.
one wants worms.
You can give the seeds. Hi, friend.
But see those over there? Those that are walking up? Look, those that are walking up? Look. Get down.
Do you want to give him some seeds? Here, friend.
No, he doesn't want it.
The one that actually can look so this is the chicken.
Does he want one?
Probably. Hi, friend. Let him have your hand for a while. Hi. Yeah, his beak is red, isn't it? Hi, friend.
What's on her head like white?
I think, I'm not sure, but it's definitely red, right?
Yeah.
Go for it, baby. It's okay.
What is that called?
You can try it. Yeah.
What's the bouncy house?
Yeah.